Big boy, we outside now, and my man got a sledgehammer. I don't know what he about to do with it, but I'm sure he gonna show us.
It's a little core, man. It's a little core workout. I'm tired. I really am tired, man. I'm so damn tired. For real, look how I'm tired, man. For real, I'm not gonna lie to you. But like I said, if you ain't show me, then don't talk to me.
That's it.
Keep your comments to yourself until you show me.
All right.
Your comments to your damn self. Until you show me.
That's that big boy workout. He gone, y'all. Big.